I'm so happy I tried this for the first time. I'll be creating a press-on nail set using NotPolish dip powder in purple, white, and clear, Model 1's liquid system for dips, and I have 2 unknown brand glow polishes. And y'all already know I'm going to be adding some kind of stones. Some stones, guys, some stones. Today I'm doing a collab with QNapturallyLovely Q. As you saw from the premiere post and thumbnail, this is a glow nail collab. And we're doing 2 different methods, so be sure to go and check her out after you watch what I did. Here's a sneak preview, and now let me show you what I did. I'm using full coverage clear coffin nails by EC Basket. I narrowed them at the sides before starting. I left the pinky off the stand to show you how I prepped, and all I did was buff them lightly. Buffing them helps the product to adhere. If you leave them smooth, your finish will start to chip. I also filed the little piece off at the end. Then I can place the nail on the stand with white putty. The Purple White by NotPolish that I'm using is a glow powder, and I love how it looks. So hey everyone! Hey NailTubers! As you can see, I'm doing something unusual. This worked out so well. Well, with a few trials along the way, of course. But I know I'll be doing this again. This was very simple. I started with step 1 of the Model 1's liquid system. And it's basically a base, guys. From previously doing this is actually like a fast drying glue. Like a super glue. It just has a thicker viscosity. Let me give you one fair warning though. The smell is so strong, just like super glue is, so make sure you have good ventilation. Polish it on nice and evenly, and definitely avoid letting it pool at the cuticle. Otherwise it will create like a ledge. It'll be too thick. Once you can see the entire surface is done evenly, simply dip it in the powder. Look at how nice and even it comes out on the surface. So you're going to repeat the rest of the nails, then you'll dip them a second time for a second layer. Oh, by the way, I did not size these tips up to start out with. If you remember at the beginning, I filed the sides down. Because this is not a gel product and it didn't go in the lamp, there was no need for me to size up, and they fit perfectly. Now that I've explained step 1, let me tell you about this collab. I'm doing this collab with QNapturallyLovely Q. Her name is QuitaMaria. Isn't that lovely? and this is our very first collab together. A while back she suggested we do a collab, and we started throwing our thoughts together. Originally, her idea was for a Halloween set. Now, I can't say that I'm sorry, guys, as I don't observe that day due to my faith, but I'll be doing lots of other things for you. Once you finish the dip layers, simply brush on the activator. It helps the chemical reaction between the powder and base coat. Be sure to give this ample time to dry, the same as you would acrylic. In fact, that's the primary reason I love this set in the end. It's because it gives the nail that acrylic look. Think about it, it's a 2-in-1 acrylic dip powder. So in turn we agreed to do glow nails, and press-ons at that. Q is very excited since this is her first collab. She's into gels and is really good with it, so her set will be done with gel, while mine will be this dip method that I'm trying for the first time. It might look as though I went in on these nails when filing, but I really didn't. That's only because it's sped up. All it took was a little filing on the side for shaping and some light buffing. There are a few things that I really ended up liking about this method, and it had nothing to do with the design. When we originally agreed to do glow press-on sets, I didn't have much of a selection besides dip powder and these two little off-brand glow polishes. From there, I had to calculate doing a press-on set with dip powder. And honey, let me tell you, this worked out so well. But before it did, I had a few small issues. After I laid this design down, because actually she wanted butterflies as well, I ran into a problem as I started using the step 3 of the Model 1's liquid system. No fault to their product and no fault to the product of this polish. I just feel it was incompatible. I tried to cure it because in the end, step 3 is a gel base and it has to be cured. But for some reason, it was still as if it hadn't been in the lamp. My fear was that it was going to ruin the foundation of the dip powder I had already laid by some type of a damage, discoloring, or whatever. I had started feeling a little frustrated because y'all know this is pretty much the end, and to start over from that point, oh, come on. You know I was relieved when it worked out in the end. I was able to wipe it clean. It took a little bit, but then I made a different selection and finished this set off with Model 1's glossy no wipe top coat. But wait a minute. I had to throw that in there too. Let's not forget how cute my butterflies turned out, okay? So yeah, guys, nail services that go 100% perfectly come few and far between. The better thing for you is to learn how to become adaptive and make the adjustments as needed so you end up with a great finish in the end. I love these nails because they have that acrylic look, and they definitely have the acrylic strength. Oh, and my next favorite, it has that acrylic sound, y'all. Listen. But last but not least, I love the milky white look from this NotPolish purple white. This was so easy to do, and this set looks like I've been to the nail shop. So there'll be another go at this. Honey, what you like today? While you're waiting on these nails, the glow up was so ridiculous. Don't forget to check out the other video in this collab by QNapturallyLovely Q. Her nails turned out so beautiful too. I'll have a link in my description box. Today, I'm using this adorable cuticle pen from Nail by Nikki. I like it because I can take it everywhere. If you like this, don't forget to hit the like button. Be sure to leave me a comment because I hope this helped anyone interested in doing this dip method of press-on nails. And what else? Yeah, subscribe to my channel and remember to hit the what? Nailification bell. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Much love.